we have to subtract of algebraic fractions. How we do this? The same like subtraction of fractions. It means we need to have the same denominator. We have 4y and 3y. So let me copy these two algebraic fractions. And first, we have to check the numbers. We have 4 and 3. The least common factor for 4 and 3 is 12. Why? Because this is the smallest number which is divisible by 4 and 3. So 12 will be, and we have y and y. So we just copy this y. And now let's check. 12y is divisible by 4y? Yes, so everything is correct. And 12y is divisible by 3y, so everything is okay. Next, we have at the beginning here 4y only, and now 12y. So I need to multiply our denominator by which number to get 12 by 3, of course. When I multiply 4 times 3, I will have 12, and y we have to copy. So now I have the same denominator, and if I multiply denominator by 3, I have to do the same with numerator. And the second denominator, we have only 3y, so I need to multiply this denominator by 4 to get 12. And if I multiply in denominator, I have to multiply numerator by the same number. So now we have 4y times 3 is 12y, and 3 times 3 is 9. We have minus, and 3y times 4 is 12y, and 2 times 4 is 8. Now when we have the same denominators, we copy denominator, and we have to subtract the numerators. 9 minus 8. So this is 1 over 12y. We cannot reduce anything here, so this is my solution.